Everyone wants to get rich quick. We see people on TikTok talking about crypto, get-rich schemes, and day trading. But the truth is, 90% of those people lose money. Today, I'm sharing the boring way to wealth. It's not flashy, it's not fast, but it is guaranteed to work if you have the discipline to follow it. 2. The power of consistency. Wealth isn't built by one big lucky break. It's built by 1,000 small, boring decisions. It's about choosing to save $500 a month every month for 20 years. In the US, the majority of millionaires are everyday millionaires, teachers, engineers, and small business owners who lived below their means and invested consistently in simple index funds. 3. Avoid the hype investments. Whenever you hear everyone talking about a new hot stock or a new coin, you are usually too late. Most people lose their life savings trying to find the next big thing. Instead, focus on low-cost index funds like the S&P 500. This is a collection of the 500 biggest companies in the US. When they grow, you grow. It's boring because you don't have to do anything, but it has historically returned about 10% per year. 4. The rule of 72. This is a simple math trick to see how fast your money will double. Divide 72 by your expected return. If you get a 7% return, your money doubles every 10 years. If you start with $10,000 at age 20, it becomes $20,000 at 30, $40,000 at 40, $80,000 at 50, and $160,000 at 60. And that's if you never add another penny. Imagine if you added $500 every month. 5. Emotional discipline. The hardest part of the boring way to wealth isn't the math, it's the emotions. When the stock market goes down, most people panic and sell, but the boring investor stays the course. They see a market drop as a sale and buy more. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. If you can control your emotions, you can control your future. 6. Your future self will thank you. Being boring with your money allows you to be exciting with your life. You won't have to worry about bills or debt. Tomorrow, for day 19, we dive into the magic of compound interest, and I'll show you how $1 can turn into $100.